Have you ever dreamed of exploring exotic destinations, immersing yourself in new cultures, and making unforgettable memories? Imagine wandering through bustling markets, tasting exotic foods, and capturing breathtaking views with your camera. For many, the desire to travel the world feels like a distant fantasy, hindered by the belief that it's only accessible to the wealthy. The high costs of flights, accommodations, and activities can make it seem impossible. But here's the truth. You don't need to be a millionaire to experience the joys of travel. There are countless ways to make your travel dreams come true without spending a fortune. With a little planning, resourcefulness, and a thirst for adventure, you can embark on incredible journeys without breaking the bank. Researching destinations, finding budget-friendly accommodations, and being flexible with your travel dates can make a huge difference. Budget travel is about embracing the freedom to explore the world on your own terms without sacrificing experiences. It's about finding joy in the simple pleasures and making the most of every moment. It's about discovering hidden gems, connecting with locals, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. These experiences often provide a deeper understanding of the places you visit and the people who live there. Whether you yearn to wander through ancient ruins, relax on pristine beaches, or navigate bustling city streets, affordable travel options are within your reach. There are countless destinations that offer rich experiences without the hefty price tag. The key to unlocking these adventures lies in shifting your perspective. Embrace spontaneity and be open to new experiences. Sometimes the best adventures are the ones you didn't plan for. Forget luxurious hotels and extravagant tours. Budget travel is about immersing yourself in the heart of a destination. Staying in hostels, using public transportation, and participating in local activities can provide a more authentic experience. It's about embracing local transportation, savoring authentic cuisine, and finding beauty in simplicity. Enjoying a meal at a local food stand or taking a bike ride through the countryside can be just as rewarding as any high-end experience. In this guide, we'll unveil the secrets to traveling the world on a budget, empowering you to turn your travel dreams into reality. From finding the best deals to making the most of your travel experiences, we've got you covered. Get ready to pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and embark on an unforgettable journey of discovery. The world is waiting for you, and with the right mindset and tools, you can explore it all without breaking the bank. Before you even think about packing your bags, the foundation of any successful budget trip lies in meticulous planning. This doesn't mean creating a rigid itinerary. It's about arming yourself with knowledge and making informed decisions that maximize your travel dollars. Start by choosing your destination wisely. Some countries are inherently more budget-friendly than others. Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, and Central America are renowned for their affordability, offering incredible value for money. Consider your interests and travel style when selecting a destination. Next, consider the power of shoulder seasons. Traveling during the months between peak season and off-season can yield significant savings on flights and accommodations. You'll enjoy pleasant weather, fewer crowds, and a more authentic experience. Thorough research is your best friend. Explore travel blogs, online forums, and guidebooks to uncover hidden gems, local recommendations, and budget-friendly tips. Create a rough itinerary, outlining your must-see attractions and potential activities. This doesn't need to be set in stone, but having a general plan helps you stay organized and make the most of your time. Remember, flexibility is key to budget travel. Be open to adjusting your plans based on unexpected opportunities or deals that arise. Embrace the unexpected. It often leads to the most memorable travel moments. For many budget travelers, airfare can feel like the biggest hurdle. The cost of flights can sometimes be so high that it makes you reconsider your travel plans altogether. But don't let that discourage you. But fear not. With a few savvy strategies, you can score incredible deals and make your travel dreams take flight. It's all about knowing where to look and how to plan. Flexibility is your greatest ally when it comes to finding cheap flights. Be open to traveling during off-peak seasons, weekdays, or even red-eye flights. These less popular times often have lower demand, which translates to lower prices. Consider alternative airports. Flying into smaller regional airports can often save you money. These airports might be a bit further from your final destination, but the savings can be substantial. Embrace the power of flight comparison websites and apps. These platforms aggregate deals from various airlines, allowing you to compare prices and find the most budget-friendly options. Websites like Skyscanner, Kayak, and Google Flights are excellent tools for this purpose. Set up fare alerts to receive notifications when prices drop on your desired routes. This way you can jump on a good deal as soon as it becomes available without constantly checking prices yourself. Don't underestimate the power of budget airlines. While they often come with additional fees for baggage and in-flight amenities, they can offer significantly lower base fares. Just be sure to factor in any extra costs when comparing prices. Sometimes, even with the added fees, budget airlines can be the most economical choice. Consider signing up for airline newsletters and loyalty programs. These can provide access to exclusive deals, discounts, and even free flights. Frequent flyer programs can also offer significant savings if you travel often. Keep an eye out for flash sales and limited-time promotions. Airlines often have these sales to fill seats quickly, and they can offer some of the best prices you'll find. Remember, booking in advance is generally recommended, especially for popular routes or peak travel seasons. However, last-minute deals can also arise, so it's always worth checking for those if your travel dates are flexible. Sometimes airlines drop prices at the last minute to fill remaining seats, so being open to spontaneous travel can pay off. Forget the notion that comfortable accommodations require deep pockets. The world of budget travel is brimming with unique and affordable lodging options that can enhance your experience and save you a bundle. Hostels are a classic choice for budget travelers, offering dormitory-style rooms or private rooms at a fraction of the cost of traditional hotels. They're a fantastic way to meet fellow adventurers, share travel tips, and immerse yourself in a social atmosphere. Consider the comfort and privacy of guest houses or bed and breakfasts. These smaller, locally run establishments offer a more personalized experience and often include breakfast in the price. Embrace the sharing economy and explore platforms like Airbnb, VRBO, or Couchsurfing. These platforms connect travelers with locals offering spare rooms, apartments, or even entire homes for rent. For the adventurous souls, camping provides a truly immersive experience. Many countries offer affordable or even free campsites, allowing you to connect with nature and enjoy the great outdoors. Don't overlook university dorms or religious institutions. During off-season, these organizations often rent out their vacant rooms at budget-friendly rates. Remember to factor in the location of your accommodation. Staying slightly outside of the city center or tourist hubs can often yield significant savings without sacrificing convenience. One of the greatest joys of travel lies in indulging in the local cuisine. The flavors, aromas, and textures of a new place can tell you so much about its culture and history. Fortunately, experiencing the flavors of a new destination doesn't require fancy restaurants or extravagant meals. In fact, some of the best culinary experiences can be found in the most unexpected places. Embrace these tips to savor delicious and affordable food throughout your adventures. By being a bit savvy and adventurous, you can enjoy a rich culinary journey without breaking the bank. Ditch the tourist traps and seek out local eateries. These hidden gems often offer more authentic and flavorful dishes compared to the more commercialized spots. Look for small, family-run restaurants, street food stalls, or markets where locals gather. These places not only provide a taste of genuine local cuisine, but also offer a more intimate dining experience. Not only will you enjoy authentic flavors, but you'll also support local businesses and experience the true essence of the destination's culinary scene. It's a win-win situation for both your taste buds and the local economy. Embrace the art of grocery shopping. Visiting local markets can be an adventure in itself, offering a glimpse into the daily lives of the residents. Stock up on snacks, breakfast items, and even ingredients for simple meals at local markets or supermarkets. This not only helps you save money but also allows you to try fresh, local produce. This allows you to control your budget and avoid overspending on restaurant meals. Plus, preparing your own meals can be a fun and rewarding experience. Take advantage of free breakfast. Many accommodations offer complimentary breakfast, which can be a great way to start your day. Many hostels and guest houses include breakfast in the price of accommodation. This can be a substantial saving, especially if you fill up on a hearty meal. Fuel up with a hearty meal before heading out to explore, saving you money on lunch or snacks. A good breakfast can keep you energized and satisfied for hours. Pack a reusable water bottle and refill it whenever possible. Staying hydrated is crucial, and having your own bottle means you won't need to buy expensive bottled water. This simple habit not only saves you money on bottled water but also reduces your environmental impact. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Don't be afraid to bargain, especially at markets or street food stalls. Negotiating prices is often expected and can be a fun part of the shopping experience. It's often customary to negotiate prices, and you might be surprised at the deals you can score. Just remember to be respectful and fair in your bargaining. Consider trying local specialties or street food. These dishes are often made with fresh, local ingredients and can be incredibly flavorful. These options are often much more affordable than restaurant meals and provide a delicious glimpse into the local culinary culture. Street food, in particular, can offer some of the most memorable and unique dining experiences of your trip.